Good morning from the Pompey Observatory and welcome to another unboxing video. As I prepare my minivan mobile observatory, my MIMO, big decision had to be made about the power plant. So I went with the BLUETTI AC180 and we're going to see what that box will provide us. It is heavy, about 43 pounds. And the big surprise is I ordered it on Sunday, it arrived on Tuesday. So that was very, very good service. The big question in my mind is, will it carry me all night? And that is in preparation for a Messier Marathon. I wonder what it is a box inside the box, but it does not seem to be easy to unbox. Let's see. Looks like I may have to flip it upside down to take the first box out. First box is out. All right. Second one says it's upside down. We'll put it right side up. It is the AC180 portable power supply. Keep this box. Returns without this box will not be accepted. It has a certificate and it has a manual. Cables. Let's see what kind of cables come with it. It is a regular AC cord for charging the power adapter itself. It has, this is for solar panels to charge. I did not order any solar panels. I do not foresee using it. Well, I do not expect the sun at night here. And this is a 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter. And there is a tiny bag with a screw in it. Put the cables aside for now. I know I'll be using one of them, the power cable. All three appear to be for charging the adapter. Next, styrofoam. And here we are at the adapter. Let's see how we can do it with grace or not. Nope, there's nothing in the box, so I'm going to toss it aside. And here it is. Minus the bag. It has the 4 power inputs and let me get the camera closer. Four power outputs, I should say, excuse me. It has USB-C, 100 watts, USB-A 5 volts, USB-A 5 volts, the 12 volt cigarette lighter adapter, and this is the input, but more importantly, this is the input of interest to me. AC input, just regular AC, you plug it in. That's the ground. Okay, that's what that bolt was. It also has wireless charging on top. The question is, how do I turn it on? This is on. And it is 55% charged. So I'll let you know how it works out once I test it. But for now, it is supposed to be an 1152 watt hours, 1800 watts. The 1152 watt hour is the number of most interest to me. My laptop is 65 watts. My monitor is 30 watts. And then I have the cell phone or the tablet for 5G connectivity. And I will have 2 tablets to control the telescopes. The telescopes themselves will be outside the MIMO, and they will have their own power. So I'm looking at needing about just under 150 watts. And if the 1152 is good, then that should carry me a solid 8 to 10 hours. We'll see. Thank you for watching. And I'll let you know how it works out.